Hello everyone and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Dhyana Bhavsar with an update on Australia weather. Cold blast brings snow and strong winds to southeast Australia. A powerful cold front is sweeping across the southeast, bringing a sudden return to winter-alike condition, including snow, strong winds and sharply falling temperatures. Millions across Victoria, New South Wales, Tasmania and the Australian Capital Territory are being warned to prepare for a rapid drop in temperatures, with icy winds making conditions feel even colder. The situation is developing quickly as a strong cold air mass moves across southeastern Australia. Cities like Melbourne, Canberra and Hobart are set to experience daytime temperatures dropping to around 8 to 12 degrees Celsius, well below recent average. The biggest impact, however, will be higher elevation. Alpine regions in Victoria and New South Wales are expected to receive 10 to 20 centimeters of snowfall, while elevated parts of Tasmania could see 3 to 8 centimeters. These conditions are likely to affect travel, particularly in mountain areas, where roads could become slippery and visibility reduced. Alongside snowfall, strong winds will create a significant wind chill factor, making it feel much colder than the actual temperature. Authorities are warning of hazardous driving conditions, possible travel delays and reduced visibility in exposed areas. Outdoor activities may also be impacted as the cold front intensifies. The cold snap is expected to be short but intense, with temperatures likely to recover slightly as the system moves away towards the weekend. Residents are advised to dress in a warm layer check. Travel update before heading out. Exercise caution in alpine region. Emergency services remain on alert as conditions evolve. A sharp and sudden reminder of winter condition returning to parts of Australia. Authorities continue to monitor the situation closely. Stay tuned with us for further update. Stay safe.